Hello, devils. I don't know what to call you guys. Oh! She's hit the TV then. Where do you find the emojis? Fun time and old.
Don't talk to me.
I'll put, there you are, who I'm talking to in the description. Please don't yell, I'm recording. Grandpa? Is it up there yet?
I am busy right now.
Tattletale.
What am I doing? I'm just trying to log in to Star Stable.
I just said I don't know you in our chat. Aren't you filming?
Yes! I'm gonna pause it till it stops.
Wait a minute. When I said
What?
no, I don't find out. Okay, keep you around.
Woo! My throat's so bad. Anyone else? Does anyone else have a missing? Does anyone else have the missing V and copy key? Because we do. So wait a minute. I have no clue what I'm doing right now. And where am I? The Eastern Trail, I think. Yeah, I recognize this area now. It just looks so different when it's over there. Goodbye. What?
Shut.
Ooh. I'm not even touching the keyboard. And yes, it crashed. Because I wasn't touching the keyboard. Whoa. Okay. I really want to unlock the Valley of Ten Dinosaurs so bad. I just crashed through a wall. I'm hypo tonight. This is my hypo. This is my hypo. Am I hypo?
Yes, you are hyper.
Yes, I'm hypo tonight. I'm gonna break this desk. This Skylar plays Zero Full just posted. No. Where am I? Does anyone do that and just open a different page and say, where am I?
Give your mom her phone back.
Mom, do you want your phone?
By the way, I'm itching like crazy. It's like right here.
What did you do?
I think she got stinged by something or bitten.
I have been outside all day. Every time I had a break, I've been outside.
I'll give you some.
It is a little red right there.
I gotta get some more Benadryl. I don't think I have any more Benadryl. Here we go.
Yeah, it is kind of red. Is it? Maybe I got bit by something while I was outside. Cause I did spend gym class outside.
Oh, you did?
Mr. C said we had to go outside for something. Payne, I happened to be outside the day Mr. C said we had to be outside for something.
Now remember, it is gonna get.
You know this time we're recording.
Yes, I know that you are recording.
I'm stuck. I'm not recording anymore. Am I? Ah. Great. And I'm stuck. Oh my gosh. What was that?
They're all staring at you crazy. I think it's gonna be in the 70s.
Oh my gosh. I hope I got that on camera. Am I still recording? Am I still recording? Yes, I am. I got that on camera.
Alright, let's do a little big trip outside.
Are you okay?